Okay, so as we can see here, I have a box from Amazon. Surprised it shipped so darn quickly because I placed this on Monday and it's like it was here, I believe, Wednesday morning. So wow! And yes, it is also Wednesday, so very fast. And I didn't even like use Prime or anything. This was like just regular speed, and it came this quickly. The only thing I can say is that they obviously had the inventory in the warehouse, so that's why it happened to ship so quick. So I'm not complaining about that. As you can see from it, there's nothing very exciting here, by the way. It's just lint rollers, yay, and something from Anker. This is what's going to be more exciting. Originally, I was going to do this at a desk where I could actually test this thing. Actually, is there a plug nearby? Yeah, there is. So let me actually open this. Probably actually turn on this light here as well. What am I seeing? Okay, there we go. That was in the way. Now things are looking so much better. Okay, so let's just carefully snip over here. Should I just start from here? Yeah, I'll just do it from here. Why am I having no luck with this? Okay, there we go. So I'll be able to cut that end. I need to be able to do this one as well. Okay, there. Yes, I believe this is also one that's 300 centimeters. You can see some of the stuff here. Yeah, this is the one that's 300 centimeters. Okay. And this is it. So now I'm going to drop this from one here and I'm going to run to the other room to quickly grab the charger so we can see if this is defective or not. So talk amongst yourselves. Okay, now I am back. So I have the 4-port wall charger. So the thing's still clear, you're not going to be able to see anything. Okay, there we go. And I have a device here to test it on. So let's get this tested. Why does this only come with one? The other one had like 2 of these bands. That's not good. One thing I definitely have to point out, the other one had 2. This one only has 1. It's gonna be harder to keep it tidy. Ah, come on. Ah, whatever. Let's just plug it in here. Oh, actually, no, I have to get this off, or else if I don't, then I'm not gonna be able to do anything. Okay, there we go. Whew! It's more difficult than I thought. Wow. Okay. Alright, so let's just take a close look at it. I'm not seeing anything. Okay, there we go. Okay, enjoy the details. Here's the other part of it. Oh, wrong way. So we can get a look inside it. Yes, I know. I don't need to show this. I just want to because why not? Anyways, I'm plug it in now. Yep, nice and smug. Snug, not smug. LOL. Take this. And I'll just plug it in to this one at the top here. Move this over to the wall. And let's see what happened here. I'll drop this light so we don't see excessive glare. And as you can see in that corner there, it is charging just fine. So yeah, it works. And yes, it's very tight too. It doesn't just come out super easily, so that's good. Now, next thing I want to do is showcase this a little bit more. I didn't really highlight it much because I was just like, yeah, this isn't very important, but it was actually something I wanted to say. Between this, another one, it was the one that was claiming to be 50% stickier. That one I think was like $5.79 Canadian dollars for one, versus 5 of these, which have 80 sheets, and all of these together costed 20. I was thinking, okay, would I have been better off just getting the one that's 50% stickier, or would I be better off going with this one? I thought that honestly, I've never used a stickier one before, and I was looking at the reviews. Some people were saying that yes, they're indeed stickier. Others were saying that it wasn't enough to justify the price, so I just decided to play it safe and go with this one because I've never used it. So if you're watching up to this point, which I hope you are, then please drop a comment below and let me know in regards to whether the 50% stickier is actually stickier or not, because it would really be helping other people. Sometimes those reviews, as you may or may not know, they're not exactly legit. Some of them are, some of them aren't. Some of them are just paid to put it there. I hope they cracked on it. I think they did. Maybe they didn't. I wouldn't be surprised if they didn't, but they really should, because we need to see authentic, real reviews of what works, what doesn't, what sucks, and what's great. Is there anything more I need to highlight for this? You get to focus there. You can see some of the stuff, information. I don't need to show you the barcode. That's not anything important. So I guess as for the video, Anker and lint rollers. Yeah, very exciting. Very needed, because the reason why I wanted to pick this up is that I was using some other old Samsung charger. It held up nicely for a period of time, but then yesterday when I put it into a computer, I was hearing some strange sounds. I'm like, you know what, okay, it's high time I put this away. And I was also realizing that it wasn't charging the devices fast either. I realized that when I started using this one, they were charging faster, better, and apparently they were even holding their charges better. I don't know, maybe I'm just imagining things, or maybe it just really makes a difference to use a quality charge. It doesn't necessarily have to be Anker. I'm pretty sure there are other great brands out there. The reason why I'm just using Anker is because it's what I've used and it's what works. We'll be trying other brands in the future, but for now, I'm just sticking with what I know and what I've tried and what has delivered great results. Out. Did you like this video? I know, it certainly wasn't the most exciting unboxing video on the internet, but anyways, comment, rate, like, subscribe, share. Read my blog for information, shop to my affiliate links in the video description, and visit my Twitter page for my latest tweets. And do not forget to also participate in the poll located at the top right corner inside the eye circle. Do not listen to this awkward outro song. I am out.